My name is Dr. Masha, and let me ask you a question most men don't bring up out loud. When was the last time you woke up with strong morning wood? For men over 50, that familiar signal often starts fading, and too many just shrug it off as getting older. Some can't even remember the last time it happened. Months, maybe years, and they've convinced themselves it's simply part of aging. But here's the truth. Losing morning erections isn't just about intimacy. They're your body's daily health report card. They tell you if your blood vessels are wide open, if testosterone is steady, and if your nerves are firing like they should. Think of them as a free daily checkup, no doctor's appointment required. But first, please like the video. The more people like it, the more YouTube will distribute it to people who don't have access to doctors or hospitals. Also, please share the video with your friends and family. Many lives can be saved with your help, so share it. And here's the good news. You can bring them back. Not with risky pills carrying scary side effects, not with extreme measures that disrupt your life, but with 2 simple vitamins you take at night. Vitamins that work while you sleep to restore blood flow, balance hormones, and set you up for rock-solid confidence in the morning. They're not flashy supplements or overpriced formulas. They're basic nutrients your body has been silently begging for. Stay with me until the end, because I'll break down exactly how these vitamins work at the cellular level, why nighttime is the scientifically perfect time to take them, and how they can transform not just your mornings but your energy, mood, and confidence in every area of life. Morning erections are not random. They're the result of a perfect storm. Blood vessels opening wide, testosterone naturally rising, nerves firing with precision, and your body diving deep into repair during sleep. When all that lines up, you wake up firm without even thinking about it. But when blood flow slows, testosterone drops, or stress hormones stay sky high, that natural signal weakens. That's not coincidence, it's a warning. The good news? With the right nutrients, taken at the right time, you can flip that system back on. And that's where the 2 vitamins come in. The first is vitamin D3, the active form of vitamin D. Most people think of it as the bone vitamin, something your doctor brings up during annual checkups for calcium absorption. But here's the shocking truth. Vitamin D acts more like a master hormone than a simple vitamin. And for men, it plays a direct and critical role in testosterone production, vascular circulation, and sexual performance. Studies show men with low vitamin D levels are almost twice as likely to struggle with erectile dysfunction compared to those with healthy levels. And the lower the vitamin D, the more severe the issue tends to be. So why does vitamin D3 matter so much? First, it stimulates Leydig cells in your testicles to produce testosterone, the very hormone that drives desire, muscle, energy, and firmness. Without enough, you feel sluggish, uninterested in intimacy, and erections get weaker and harder to maintain. Vitamin D also keeps blood vessels strong and flexible. Think of arteries as high-tech tubes. When they're supple and responsive, blood flows freely into erectile tissue. But when they're stiff, inflamed, or calcified, blood flow slows to a trickle, and firmness suffers. Vitamin D protects those vessels, keeps them elastic, and even works as one of your body's most powerful natural anti-inflammatories. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer of male performance. It stiffens arteries, swells the prostate, and weakens nerves that carry arousal signals. Lowering inflammation clears the path for smooth circulation and healthy response. Here's the kicker. More than half of men over 50 are clinically deficient in vitamin D without even knowing it. Some studies suggest closer to 70%. Why so common? Because after 40, your skin gets about 25% less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight with each passing decade. Add long hours indoors, colder climates, or belly fat, which traps and locks away vitamin D, and your levels can crash. Even with sunlight, your body might still be starving. The best way to take vitamin D3 is in the evening with a meal containing healthy fats, 10 to 15 grams at least. It's fat-soluble, so pair it with foods like avocado, salmon, olive oil, or grass-fed butter. Taken at night, your body uses it while you sleep, exactly when testosterone production peaks between 3 and 7 a.m., and blood vessels repair. By morning, you've given yourself the best chance for a strong, natural erection. And results come fast. Men often notice changes in 2 to 3 weeks. More steady energy, better moods, deeper sleep, and yes, firmer, more reliable morning wood that feels like decades ago. Vitamin D3 isn't magic, but it's one of the simplest, most overlooked foundations of male vitality. The second vitamin almost no one talks about in men's health is vitamin K2. If D3 is the engine driving testosterone and calcium absorption, K2 is the steering wheel keeping everything on track. They're partners in crime. One without the other can cause harm. Here's why. Vitamin D3 boosts calcium absorption, which is good for bones. But without enough K2, that calcium can cement itself in your arteries, creating hard, brittle vessels that can't expand. And calcified arteries are erection killers. They can't deliver blood efficiently. This is where vitamin K2 steps in as your cardiovascular bodyguard. K2 acts like a traffic cop for calcium, directing it into bones and teeth where it belongs, and away from arteries and soft tissue where it can cause dangerous damage. By keeping calcium out of your blood vessels, K2 ensures they stay flexible, elastic, and fully responsive. That's mission critical, because healthy vessels work like fire hoses. They open wide and deliver powerful blood flow exactly when needed. But K2's benefits go way beyond circulation. By keeping arteries pliable, it eases the strain on your heart, helps lower blood pressure, and strengthens cardiovascular health overall. That's important because erectile dysfunction isn't just a bedroom problem. It's often the first warning sign of vascular disease. If blood can't reach the penis properly, it may also not be reaching your heart or brain efficiently either. K2 protects all these systems at once, giving you not only stronger erections but also longer, healthier life. Research shows K2 activates two crucial proteins, osteocalcin, which pulls calcium into bones, and matrix GLA protein, which blocks calcium from clogging arteries. Without K2, these proteins stay inactive, leaving calcium free to wreak havoc in your circulation. But when you combine vitamin D3 and K2, you create a powerhouse duo. D3 raises testosterone, sharpens hormonal signals, and strengthens bones, while K2 makes sure calcium stays in the right place, keeping arteries free and wide open for maximum blood flow. Together, they balance hormones, protect circulation, and set the stage for natural, long-lasting firmness. The best way to take K2 is alongside vitamin D3 in the evening with dinner, or even a small snack that includes healthy fats, at least 10 to 15 grams. Like D, it's fat-soluble, so your body needs that dietary fat to absorb it fully. Taken together at night, these vitamins go to work quietly while you sleep, repairing blood vessels, fine-tuning hormone balance, and priming your body for strong, confident mornings. Men who add K2 alongside D3 are often amazed at how quickly results show. Morning wood comes back with consistency and firmness, energy levels even out, mood lifts, and stamina rises. It's not just about avoiding weakness. It's about building resilience and vitality from the inside out. Now, you might be wondering, why take them at night instead of with breakfast? The reason is powerful but simple. Nighttime is when your body does its deepest repair work. During slow-wave sleep, your body isn't distracted by meals or stress. It's focused on rebuilding. Testosterone pulses in peaks, blood vessels heal from daily wear, and your nervous system resets. By fueling your body with these vitamins at night, you're syncing them with this natural recovery rhythm. They strengthen hormones exactly when testosterone is being made, keep arteries flexible as vessels repair, and calm inflammation while nerves reset. Morning doses still help, but by then, most of the critical repair window has already passed. Think of it like fueling your car before a long road trip rather than halfway through. You start strong instead of scrambling to catch up. And here's the real difference you'll feel. Instead of waking up tired, depleted and wondering where your morning wood disappeared, you'll wake up recharged, with better circulation, higher testosterone, and the firmness to prove your body is running right. That shift in timing can mean the difference between ongoing frustration and renewed confidence. Now let me be clear. Vitamins aren't magic pills that work alone. They're powerful tools, but they shine brightest when supported by foundational habits. To get the most from D3 and K2, you need to back them up with simple but powerful lifestyle changes. First, focus on hydration. Erections are about blood flow, and blood is half water. If you're dehydrated, blood thickens and circulation slows. Sip water consistently throughout the day, 8 to 10 glasses minimum. Add a pinch of sea salt for absorption and electrolytes. Second, your food choices matter. The same nutrients that protect your heart protect your erections. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula, beets, and citrus fruits boost nitric oxide, opening blood vessels wide. Fatty fish like salmon or sardines supply omega-3s to reduce inflammation and keep arteries flexible. Even simple choices, like walnuts, pumpkin seeds, or olive oil, help your body absorb D3 and K2 while supporting hormone production. Third, move regularly. You don't need marathons or heavy lifting. A brisk 20-30 minute walk after dinner, light resistance training, or even stretching before bed keeps circulation strong, lowers cortisol, and primes you for deeper sleep. Blood flow is key, and movement is one of the most natural ways to keep it healthy. Finally, respect sleep itself. Deep, uninterrupted rest is when testosterone surges and repair accelerates. If you're staying up late scrolling, eating midnight snacks, or drinking before bed, you're robbing yourself of that crucial repair window. Protect your sleep, and your body will reward you. When you combine these habits with vitamin D3 and K2, you don't just support erections, you support your entire health. Men who commit to these changes often notice morning wood returning stronger than ever. Energy climbing, waistline slimming, moods lifting, and confidence roaring back. It's a whole body transformation that starts with small but powerful steps. So here's the complete formula. Take vitamin D3 with K2 at night, with a meal containing healthy fat. Let them go to work while you sleep. Back them with hydration, whole foods, movement, and quality rest. And watch your mornings transform. Stronger, steadier, more energizing than you imagined possible at your age. These aren't exotic supplements or expensive imports. They're simple, powerful, and when taken right, they bring back the body's natural signal of health. Morning wood isn't just nostalgia. It's proof your circulation, hormones, nerves, and confidence are working at their best. And yes, even at 50, 60, or beyond, you can bring it back. Start tonight. Take your vitamin D3 and K2 with dinner. Give your body the fuel it needs, and let nature handle the rest while you sleep. In just weeks, you may be surprised by how much stronger, firmer, and more alive your mornings feel. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. Subscribe for more natural men's health advice, and share it with someone who needs this knowledge. Your mornings and your confidence will thank you.